So come all you young fellers, so young and so fine, and seek not your fortune in a dark, dreary mine. It'll form as a habit and seep in your soul till the stream of your blood runs as black as the coal. Where it's dark as the dungeon, damp as the dew, where danger is double, pleasures are few, where the rain never falls, the sun never shines. It's dark as the dungeon way down in the mine. There's many a man I've known in my day that would live just to labor his whole life away. Like a fiend with his dope, like a drunkard with his wine, a man will have lust for the lure of the mine. And I pray when I'm dead and the ages shall roll, that my body will blacken and turn into coal. Then I'll look from the door of my heavenly home. Lord, I'll pity that miner that's digging my bones. Where it's dark as the dungeon, where it's damp as the dew, where dangers are double, pleasures are few, where the rain never falls, where the sun never shines. Lord, it's dark as the dungeon way down in the mine.